Yo guys, check this out! I just bought this motorcycle tank bag for my KTM 1290 Super Adventure, the Ranger Mini tank bag from Lone Rider. This small compact motorcycle tank bag, the Ranger Mini from Lone Rider, is made from Hypalon, which is a very strong and weather resistant material. It also means that the tank bag is waterproof, so we don't need a rain cover anymore. It also has a waterproof zipper, and it has the same design as the other Lone Rider bags like the Tail Pack or the MotoBags. That means that it has the same adventure looks, also with the molly straps on top to attach some other bags or stuff. The bottom of the Ranger Mini is made from a harder material. And then we have 4 points to connect straps to mount the tank bag on the motorcycle. The height of the tank bag is 10 centimeters. The width is 19 centimeters. And the length is 23 centimeters. And that gives this tank bag a capacity of 4.5 liters. Okay, let's take a look inside this tank bag. So as you can see, the upper part is coming over the lower part, so it's impossible for water to get inside this tank bag. At the inside, the color is red, so it's easy to see your stuff inside. And all around the inside you have the possibility to put stuff away at the sides of the tank bag. There's also a possibility to bring a cable to the outside. So if you want to charge your mobile phone on the inside of the tank bag, you can bring a cable out to make a connection to a power socket on your motorcycle. So here's a covered hole. Okay, let's take a look at the strap system. Okay, this is the first part of the strap system. To strap the front side of the tank bag to the frame and to connect the straps to the tank bag, there's this very ingenious system. The magnetic quick release buckles are almost closing by themselves. I just have to lie the upper part on the lower part and it's secured. To open, you just have to slide the upper part to the side. This quick release is simply brilliant. Very ingenious, very easy to release the strap from the tank bag. So the front strap comes underneath the frame here. Then we have the second part of the strap system, 2 straps to make a connection from the tank bag to the frame at this side and on the other side. This part of the strap comes here on the tank bag in this buckle. It also has Velcro all the way. Then there's the other side of the strap. At this side you have to put 2 cable ties through it to connect it to the frame of the motorcycle. There's also a magnetic quick release buckle. Just slide to release. So this side is connected to the tank bag. This side connected to the frame of the motorcycle. Okay, and now I'm gonna install this Ranger Mini tank bag on my KTM 1290 Super Adventure. Okay, first I'm going to install the front strap, and to do that I have to disconnect one buckle from the strap to get the strap around the frame. So I'm gonna disconnect this buckle, put this aside. I'm also gonna pull this part of the strap, pulling the strap out of the stabilizer part and out of this part with the buckle. And now I'm gonna place the strap around the frame. So when you place the strap, you have to make sure not to catch any wires or something. Okay, in here, in here, placing this part back, placing the buckle back, so now I have to tighten the strap to place the buckles to the front side as much as possible. This is the farthest position I can get to. Before I go further, I'm gonna try the tank bag to see if the position is right. When I connect the tank bag to the quick release buckles, you can see that the position of the tank bag is too much to the rear. I want it more to the front. So I have to find a way to change the position of the front buckles. To get the quick release buckles more to the front, I'm gonna take the stabilizer part out. So I'm gonna take this stabilizer part out of the strap system to give me more space. Now I will have more space to get the magnetic buckles more to the front. Now I'm gonna put the strap back in place. Now I have a better position of the buckles. The only thing I have to do now is roll up the strap ends. The front strap system is in position, like this. And now I'm gonna place the tank bag and connect the magnetic quick release buckles. Okay, now I'm gonna install the first of the two straps. This is pretty easy, just open it up and slide it through this buckle. Okay, now I have to find a position on the frame to strap this part, and I'm gonna place it here. So in this position, the strap is a bit out of the way of my legs. Okay, the first strap is installed. like this. Okay, now I'm going to install the second strap, which is exactly the same as the other. This one comes on the right side of the tank bag. I don't have much space on the other side of my motorcycle, and because it's too difficult to film this part, the installation of the second strap, that part is not in this video. But it's of course exactly the same of the installation of this strap. The second strap is installed, and now I just have to tighten the two straps and I'm done. Now I have the right tension, so now I'm going to close the Velcro straps. Okay, the two side straps are installed. There's one thing remaining here. This little piece, you can choose to use it to keep this flap in position, to keep it closed, or you can choose to remove it. I'm gonna remove it later, I don't need it. Okay, the Lone Rider Ranger Mini tank bag is installed and it's not moving, it keeps its position. And if I want to release it from my motorcycle, I just have to slide this quick release buckles, also the one at the other side, buckles on the front, and I'm can take off my tank bag. Okay, once the mini tank bag is released from your motorcycle, you can close the straps, the quick release magnetic quick release buckles. You can close them, and you can carry it on your back as a backpack, or you can just use the straps to carry the tank bag. Lone Rider Ranger Mini tank bag. Okay, now we're gonna take the motorcycle outside to show you some nice shots from this new tank bag mounted on my KTM together with the other Lone Rider bags. Amigos, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in another video.